Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a world of imagination and innovation as we explore the process of animating images to hilarious videos using the magic of an AI animation generator. If you're ready to witness your images come to life in a whole new way, then you're in for a treat. In the next few minutes, we'll guide you through a step-by-step journey to create an amusing animated video for your images. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to go to the animated drawing website. Our journey begins by visiting an animated drawing website that's about to turn your images into something extraordinary. Then, we need to click Get Started. Then we have to go to step 2, which is upload your photo. With the website open, it's time to upload the image you want to bring to life. Get ready to watch your picture transform before your eyes. So click the upload photo button, then upload your photo. There we go, I have my drawing right here of a cat. Then let's click next. Now, we just have to click to agree on the terms and service. Go to step 3, which is select the area where your character is. Identify the area of your image that you want to animate. Whether it's a face, a figure, or any other element, pinpoint where the magic will happen. Now I have the cat here and it's already highlighted. And now we just have to click into the next. Now, step 4, manually add or remove the selection. Refine your selection by manually adding or removing parts. This fine-tuning ensures that your character moves seamlessly in the animation, or it's also known as the masking. So make sure that every part of your character is highlighted white, and if not, you can use the pen tool here, and if you want something to be removed, you can use the eraser tool here. Then let's click next. Now, step 5 is select the joints for your character. Now comes the exciting part, setting the joints for your character. These joints will define how your character moves and interacts in the animated video. So over here we have the left wrist, we have the elbow, then the wrist, and the ankle, the knee, the hip. There's the knee right there. So for this, you just keep editing the joints like so. And then that should be good, and then let's click next. Now we need to for step 6 we need to select the animation. It's time to choose the animation that best suits your vision. Whether it's a dance or funny gesture or something completely unique, pick the animation that brings out the personality of your character. Now for step 7, to download the animation. And there you have it. A swift and delightful guide to transforming static images into uproarious animated videos using the power of AI animation generator. This fusion of technology and creativity allows you to explore your imagination in a whole new way. If you found this guide inspiring and informative, remember to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing for more innovative content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep creating and keep animating.